Look at you, how awesome and gorgeous you are. Hi. Good morning to you. Are you having a good morning? Did you have some breakfast? I know there's another kitty here. Hey you. Hi, I'm gonna give you some food too. Don't worry. Don't worry. You seem a little sleepy. Do you want lovin's? Let's see whether our friend wants some lovin's here. You do? Oh, I get some lovin's from this side as well, so that's good. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh. You're so precious. Thank you so much. You want more? Yeah, kitty. What a sweet kitty, right? You know, both are very sweet. Yeah. Kitty stays in that position. He's like, well, I'm not gonna move. I want more. I want more of that, please. Thank you. Massage on this side, please. Thank you. Yeah, you want some on this side too? Yeah, I knew. Let me give you a little snack.